Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Today we again will take a look mostly on the euro currency. In the beginning of the video, just a couple of words on the Great British Pound short-term setup that we have discussed in our weekly research. So as you can see, on the cable, the market has completed our target. So that's the butterfly that we have discussed. And we said that probably market hardly will show any significant retracement before it will hit major target on the monthly chart. On the monthly chart, this was 130 area approximately, and we said that this market probably could form some pattern that should first let market to complete its target, and second, this could be simultaneously some pattern that could put the foundation for the possible retracement. Currently we can't say how significant this retracement will be, but whatever it will be, this will be probably not bad opportunity for taking the short. But this is a bit too early discussion. We will keep an eye on the Great British Pound since it's currently is very important currency. But just to update our view on the Great British Pound, I would like to say that pattern has been completed. Monthly chart, as you could see, on the monthly chart, market also has completed its target. There's probably some relief really could come. Now it's major question how significant this relief will be. Now let's go back to the euro currency. On the euro, yesterday we said that market really has good chance to drop lower and reestablish the downward action because we could get the bearish grabber pattern. Also, yesterday we have estimated that on the intraday charts, market here was forming the butterfly sell pattern. So this combination and in general the shape of this ABCD pattern has led us to conclusion that market should drop lower. This indeed has happened, so market has started to move down, and grabber has been completed. The minimum target of this grabber stands right here, it's 109 lows approximately. So by this grabber, they should be taken out. Also, take a look, the market has failed to pass through the monthly pivot point, and it tells that monthly sentiment right now stands bearish. But we also see greater potential with this grabber because simultaneously, if we will take a look at it not as isolated pattern, but in a context of overall action, so we could say that this could become the starting point for the downward continuation with our A, B, C top D pattern. 100% has been completed, retracement, now market could drop lower. So the reason for that dropping is still some tensions around the Brexit, is the long-term problems. In the short-term, technical issues. Take a look, the city leg is just a vertical, and when the market drops in such a manner directly to 100% target, it's usually with a very big probability, usually continuous move lower to the next destination point. Next destination point, as we said, will be 106 approximately, but that's the same as to say that market is on the way to the 105 lows. This will be next destination point. So that's why, as you can see, potential of this action could be really nice. And if you have taken a position with this butterfly pattern, now I will show you. So first on the 4-hour time frame chart, as you can see, breakout of this some kind of the flag or channel pattern. Yesterday we said that's definitely not the reversal, since this is very choppy and sloppy action. So overlapping candles, definitely the retracement action. So, and market as usual has hit its favorite 50% level and dropped. So now it stands in minor retracement. It's probably also the 50% support of this move action to the upside. And those of you who haven't take position here could try to use this retracement up for taking the short. So on the 30-minute chart, here's our butterfly. So if you have taken position based on the butterfly, you have done well. It's probably you have very good position. Now you could think about move your stop to the break even. Those of you who has missed this, don't be upset, since after this drop lower, this market stands in upward retracement. So probably this area will be not bad for thinking about taking the short again, since this will be the 50% resistance of this recent drop. So again, 50% level around 111, maybe slightly lower. Also, this will be the weekly pivot point. And take a look, natural support resistance area. So it's low. The butterfly here was, so that will be probably not bad area where you could think about taking the short, 110.85, 111 even area. Also, guys, here you could see very nice behavior of the butterflies. Not very often you could see, but here market has completed butterfly as it should be said totally. So first of all, butterfly has completed, reversal point 127, and drop. Take a look directly. It's 1618 extension of the whole butterfly. From that low to this top, 1618 extension. That's the ultimate target of the butterfly. So it has been completed. This is it's full completion of the butterfly. A minimum target of the butterfly usually the 3-8 retracement of the butterfly swing. So butterfly has completed 3-8. It's minimum target. But maximum ultimate target is 1618 extension down of the whole butterfly. So this is not very often you could see on the markets, but here we have the example. So that being said, on the euro currency we still keep our previous analysis that we have prepared yesterday. That market probably stands on the way to the downside, and this action has been triggered by the grabber that we have got, and now it has been confirmed. That's why we think that those of you who have missed the entry point here could search for this possible upward retracement and think about possible taking the short. So because the minimum target of the grabber, as I said, stands right here, but this pattern really could get the more attention, especially if we will get the positive non-farm payrolls data. This could lead to the acceleration to the downside action. So let's see what we'll get. First, the ADP report probably should shed some light on this subject, and it's probably by the ADP report we already will get some approximation of the possible non-farm payrolls of this. So let's see how the situation will develop.